So one of the laws of owning a greenhouse is if it can break, it will at some point. So I just got alerted that it was super hot in this range of greenhouses. These louvers are not opening when the sun's out and we can't get air into the greenhouses. That's a problem. It should be open like these because that allows the air to go in, go through the wet wall and cool off the air in there. So right now the only air getting into this greenhouse is through this door. I went over to the motor, tripped the breaker, flipped the breaker back on, and the motor is making this terrible noise. Listen. I don't know what that is because it's coming from this box, which I don't know what this box does because the motor's up there. You would think the motor would be making a noise. Something ain't right. We need to get these louvers open. A lot of times you can just take a pipe wrench, get it onto here, and manually crank these open. It's not budging. I think that motor has seized up. So we're gonna undo these couplings, disconnect the louvers from the motor, and then try to manually open this up with a pipe wrench. Goodness gracious. That is tight. I need to get the impact. Oh, there it goes. Just need to put a little elbow grease in it. Motor doesn't look so good. I'm guessing that's a 3/8. Whoa, almost hit my head on that. Nailed it. That was a 3/8. Mechanical genius over here. I see a problem already. This screw broke off in there. That means I'm in deep trouble. How long is this screw? Why didn't I bring my drill? Ouch. This one's fighting me. Of course, this happens on a Saturday. It's really busy, and my maintenance guy is not here. Get out of there. I wonder if that's disconnected enough where we can spin this pipe now. Yes! Now I just gotta do the other side. So I'm gonna crack this a little bit. Both these sections of pipe spin this side of the pipe independently from this side of the pipe. The wall is all one piece. I've got a gap here where I've already started to open this. I'm gonna have to disconnect the other side and do the same thing. Such an awkward angle. That one's really on there. There we go. My maintenance guy is very strong, so when he tightens these bolts down, he really tightens them down. We seem to be disconnected now. What just happened? That should spin now. Spin this pipe, walk over here, spin this one until we get this. Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh, that's not good. Not good at all. We've come disconnected. I didn't want you to do that. Trouble. My maintenance guy's gonna be pissed probably. What'd you do? Why'd you do it that way? Here's why. Because you weren't here, that's why. That's why I did it this way. Okay, get off of there. I want that to just kind of stay in that little cradle. That's better. Okay, we are opening. They should start feeling some airflow in there. Back to this side. Open it a little more. Back to this side. Open it a little more. Back to this side. Back to this side. One more time. They are open. We can see into the wet wall. We got lots of airflow coming in now. This side needs to get a little bit more. Okay, they should be feeling much better in here now. Is that better? Yeah. Got it open. Good job, Mike. Hey, thank you. I just left a mess for Rogelio. Now we can close the stove. Good to go.